Before the beginning of the current 2016-2017 school year, the McGuffey School District installed some new exercise equipment paid for by a grant from Highmark that the school was awarded with back in August 2015. The equipment is also able to be used by any class wishing to use it. There are 8 pieces of equipment available for use, including the cargo net.
The object of this is for the kids to climb up the spider web, climb over safely, and get down the other side using the rope rungs. And I have some students that are going to show you how they can successfully do this. Watch her head. I'm watching it.
Balance beam.
This is the balance beam. The kids will balance on this. Emily is going to show you how you balance and walk all the way across the balance beam for core strength.
Small ladder.
This is the ladder. You can go up and over the ladder, or you can use it for hamstring stretches where you put your leg on it and then touch your toe and then touch your other toe. And the students are going to show you the up and over. When they're all done, who wants to show us the stretch? Just on either, whichever one's comfortable, Emily.
Everyone's comfortable.
You can still top step, Moses.
Oh, you got it.
Perfect.
You just noticed.
Pull/chin-up bar and twist bar.
The next piece of equipment is the chin-up bar or the pull-up bar. Also can do some stretching hip twists, and also what my students do is they traverse from one bar to the other bar.
Climbing rope.
This is the rope climb. The object of this is for the kids to climb up to the top, reach the top, and then climb themselves back down without sliding. And this is probably one of the hardest ones we have. I think it's about 15 feet high. I'm not positive on that. But this takes a lot of strength. Some kids can do it without their legs, but most kids have to use their legs. But it takes a lot of ability to be able to do this one. And this one, we really have to spot each other, because if somebody slides down, they can burn their hands, or if they fall off, they can get seriously injured. So we spot each other on this one. All right. Tyler does the leg wrap. He's good at that. I know he does one leg. Come down here. You gonna go? Wrap your legs around. Wrap your legs around. There you go. Good. There you go. Ooh. Make sure when you come down, hand over hand. That's it. Hand over hand. Perfect. Ooh. That's good. Good, well. All right. Let's come over this head, please. Use those legs for this leg before. Good job. Very good. Excellent.
Push-up and dip bars.
Here we have the dip bar and push-up bar, or they can both be used as push-up bars. Our class will use them as the smaller one as a push-up bar, and this one as a dip bar, and they'll do 5 of each. Go ahead with your partner. Thank you. Down further.
I like the dips because you can do those just about anywhere.
Yeah.
style workout.
Right.
Push-ups, sit-ups.
So Gucci Mane got it.
Yeah, no equipment.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Overhead ladder.
This is the monkey bars. The monkey bars, the object here is to use your arms and your upper body strength and core to go across, and if you can, come back on the monkey bars. And here we have some students demonstrating. She actually can go backwards too, which you don't have to go backwards, but she can.
Did she go backwards?
Woohoo! All right.
I bet a branch off that tree.
And turn up. Nice job.
Holy crap. That's amazing.
You can keep going. Go. Nice job. Very good.
Good job, Kate. I thought you would make the turn.
Curl up and leg machine.
All right. The next piece of equipment is the sit-up area. You do sit-ups or curl-ups. You can also do leg raises, and I have students that are going to demonstrate this.
Really? There's this one kid that came in.
Come here.
Grayson, can you show the other one where you put your hands back there and your legs come this way?
Like this.
Hold on to
relax
the
your finger.
bar.
Which bar? There's two of them.
Lay down so your feet are towards 40. Yep, there you go. Now don't bump your head.
Get it off the bar.
All right, and bend your knee kind of like you're running in place. Perfect. Thank you, Grayson. Thank you. All right, folks.
All of these exercise different parts of the body.
Moses, have you seen or used the trail outside of school?
Yes, I have used the trail outside of school every once in a while, and yes, it is very long.
All right. What kind of exercises do you do?
I run the trail, and I do the stations around the trail, and yeah, that's...
Okay. Were there any sites that are memorable to you?
Probably the push-up and dip-up or bar, yeah,
Why is that so memorable to you?
because that's where I go the most.
Okay. All right. We're here with Katie. What kind of exercises do you do on the trail?
We do a lot of like arm and like self body weight exercises and a lot of cardio.
Okay. And has the trail helped you accomplish any personal fitness goals?
I think so. I ran a faster mile this year, and that's probably because of that.
Okay, thank you.
In total, this new equipment costed roughly $6,500. The idea for all this new equipment came about when the physical education department decided it was time to modernize and upgrade the trail. And as always, no pets are permitted on the school grounds. This includes the nature trail.